Today is both a happy and a bittersweet moment. As you move forward, we hope you carry with you not just knowledge, but values, respect, discipline, and the courage to do what is right.
Today, as I stand here, I cannot help but look back. I remember walking into ages and stages as a small child, unsure, curious, holding tightly to my parents' hands. I did not know then that this place would become my second home. I did not know that these classrooms would witness my growth, my struggles, my fears, and my dreams.
Dear graduates, I want you to make your parents proud. Make your alma mater proud. And most importantly, live a life that you yourself can be proud of.
Our journey was not perfect. There were nights we cried over lessons we didn't understand. There were mornings when we felt tired and unmotivated. There were moments when we questioned if we were enough. But in those very moments, someone was always there. A teacher who stayed patient, a classmate who said, "Kaya mo yan!" and a parent who waited, prayed, and believed. Graduation is not just an ending. It is proof. Proof that we have grown. Proof that we have been prepared. Proof that we are ready. Class of 2026, our journey does not end here. It only begins. And to our parents, this victory is yours as much as it is ours. Thank you, we love you, and we will make you proud.
We started as dreamers, unsure of the way, carrying hopes for
Anak, hindi mo alam kung gaano kasaya ang puso namin ni Daddy, naming lahat, dahil sa achievement mo na ito. Thank you sa napakagandang regalong ito sa amin ni Papa. Lagi mong tatandaan na nandito lang kami ni Papa. Lagi ka naming susuportahan kung ano man ang gusto mong marating sa buhay mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin, anak.
we spread our wings, chasing the life our future brings. With grateful hearts, we stand and say, this is our time, this is our day. Through all the tears and victories, we built our own legacies. No matter where the road may lead, we
Congratulations, Naomi! Sobrang proud kami sa iyo. Naomi, congratulations! Oh, naiyak si Lola. Proud na proud sa iyo si Lola. Salamat, salamat baby. Mahal na mahal ka ni Lola. Kayong lahat.
though tomorrow's still unknown.
Congratulations, Meg. Sana pagpatuloy mo lang ang kagandahan ng loob mo at katalinuhan. Alam ko nung magsabog ang Diyos ng katalinuhan, isa ka sa manggap niyan. Kaya ipagpatuloy mo lang.
Through all the tears and victory.
Congrats, Me! We are so proud of you. Sulit lahat ng mga pinaghirapan mo at alam ko malayo pa ang mararating mo. At alam ko din na super proud si Lola Joy and I wish na sana magpatuloy pa rin niyang sa mga susunod mong years sa high school and college. Enjoy your high school. Excited ako sa kung ano pa yung mararating mo. Congrats!
Those seasons change and past divide.
Congrats, Me! At kakatuwa at ikaw ay talagang top 1 talaga. Hindi ko pinalampas ang araw na ito na hindi kita makita sa stage. Sana ipagpatuloy mo pa hanggang sa lumaki ka pa.
Braver than we've ever been. With hopeful hearts we face the sky. No more fear of asking why.
Congrats, Ning! Super proud kami sa'yo. Tayo lang ni Tita, ni Anan, ay sana lagi ka makinig sa parents mo, lalo na sa mami mo, kasi wala naman silang ibang gusto kundi yung best para sa'yo. Congrats, Ming! Super proud kami sa'yo.